Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you what I got in my ROCKSBOX for this month. ROCKSBOX is a jewelry subscription service. I think it's like $21. You have to go onto the website, you answer a bunch of questions about like the type of jewelry you like, and then they will select from their inventory a few different pieces and then they'll send them to you. It's just based off of like whatever you answer the questions, like if you like the yellow gold jewelry or if you like white gold or both, what styles and stuff like that. You kind of just pick through and answer the questions. And then you can go through and actually look at the ones that they're going to pick for you and swap them out with something else if you want. You can also go in there and like put some like on your wish list for future boxes. What's cool about this, what I like the most, is that like if you get your box, you specifically wanted them for like, I don't know, a night out or something. After that, you send them back, then they'll send you a whole other box with new pieces. So if you wanted to, you could get a new piece every single week if you want to, right? And then you could be wearing like swap out your jewelry and be wearing new pieces every single week, which I think is really cool. Instead of, it's cheaper, right? So instead of trying to build your jewelry collection, that gets really expensive, right? Like you can buy one new piece maybe a month or something like that to add to your jewelry collection. But instead, this kind of gives you the ability to wear different jewelry all the time, but for 21 bucks a month. So it's pretty cool. I like it because I like things to be more minimal, so I don't really have a ton of jewelry and I don't really want to lug. We move a lot, so like I don't really want to lug around like a whole jewelry set. So instead, I get to switch through like different pieces and stuff like that using this service. I just think it's cool because you can, with your $21 a month, you can swap out whenever you want. So if I swap out, there's 4 weeks in a month. If I swap out every single week, then I can get new pieces every week, which is super cool. I did the unboxing for you so you can see how everything comes packaged really nicely. They come in individual pouches and everything is clean. Everything is like brand new when you get it. And when you're ready to send it back, all you do is put all the jewelry back into the box and then put it back in the bag that it came in, and they already have a return label that you just put on to the thing and then you just drop it off at whatever is on the label. You just drop it off. It's just super, super convenient. Let's talk about the pieces I got. So the earrings I really, really like. I personally love earrings. I like to have statement earrings. And so these are just like perfect. They're not too big. They're definitely not heavy. And yeah, they have like a little bit of style to them. Like, see the little rivets? So I'm a big fan of the earrings. I typically don't really like necklaces. And it's mainly because the clasp in the back always tugs at my hair and then it ends up pulling out my hair. So I don't know if it's just like, if it's me, like where my hairline is in the back, but whenever I wear necklaces, it just irritates me. And so typically I like to do like a big statement earring and then not do any necklace. But this one has the clasp here, which I thought was super neat. So that means in the back, there's no clasp right now. And so I was like, ooh, maybe I'll like that. I also kind of liked the idea that you can make it like a choker if you want. Like you could take this and make it tighter like this if you want, more like a choker. Or you could literally put it on the very last one if you want and make it kind of like a long necklace. I thought that this necklace was kind of cool because it was kind of mixed. One side is like this like double kind of necklace, and then one side is a chain. So I liked that idea. I also liked that the clasp was down here and not in the back. But I will say, it is not the quality that I typically get in these ROCKSBOX. So I don't know if it's just the brand, and I haven't tried this brand yet, but here, I'm gonna put this up to the speaker so you can hear it, but you can tell just based off of like the sound, it's light. Like it's not like, I would think a chain, it would be like substantial, right? Like heavier, like substantial kind of jewelry, but it's not. This is super duper light. Hopefully you heard that, and you can tell like just by the sound like how cheap it is, and it feels cheap in the hand. So yeah, I'm not a fan of the necklace. I did like the idea of it. Like I said earlier, I like the clasp where it's at. I like that there's like two different types of, there's a chain and then there's this, but other than that, I don't like it. So this one, well, obviously I'm sending them all back eventually, but this one I probably won't wear while I have them. And then I really, really like the bracelet. This bracelet is like my kind of jam. Like it's very casual. I can wear it with just t-shirt and whatever. And it's not like got like a big diamond or something on it or like sparkles or anything like that. It's like super casual, and I enjoy that. I don't particularly care for the pineapples. It's not like my favorite. I had one in the past that had little arrows, and it wasn't yellow gold, it was like a white gold, and that was by far my favorite one that I've ever had, and I should have bought it. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have bought it because they no longer have it on there for their inventory, probably because everybody else bought them, and I should have. But oh well. So I personally don't think I'm going to end up purchasing these items, but I do really like them. Like I like the earrings and I like this. If you want to actually purchase them, because they are, let's say like used, right? Because this is a subscription service and they have inventory. So like when I send these back, they're going to be cleaned and then sent to somebody else. So you do get a discount if you actually want to purchase them. So the earrings would be $38. The bracelet is $42, and the necklace is $51. Would never pay $51 for that necklace. I've never actually gotten a necklace like that through this service. Like I usually get like quality pieces, like super pleased with the pieces that I've gotten. So that's actually quite shocking. So interesting that this is going to be my first video talking about ROCKSBOX, and then I get a piece like that. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm going to do like a series. So every time I get a box, I will video it and show you what's in it. And then I'll do like a whole playlist of just ROCKSBOX on my YouTube channel. Just FYI. So yeah, if I wanted to purchase the whole thing, it would have been $100. Am I reading that right? Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. That lets YouTube know that people like this kind of content, and then they'll show it to other people, which helps my channel a lot, and I really do appreciate it if you do that. So please hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the button below, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna do more content like this, reviews, trying out products. I will also do vlogs. So yeah, come join me, and I will see you in the next one.